G'day, builds by Baz, Colonial Viper Mark II, life size, and going on with the accessories still, making the ammunition to go into the wings. I have been turning down some chopped up 100 by 50 pallet wood and odds and sods that I found. It's really rubbishy pine. It's got knots in it, it's got splits in it, and it doesn't turn on a metalwork lathe too well. It kind of goes hairy and fluffy while you're cutting it, and there's a heck of a lot of sanding and filing at the end to get rid of that. But what I did find today was some rotten tree stakes, and they were rotten down the bottom half, and the top half had to sort through a few in the rubbish pile, but I found some good pieces and chopped them out, and I've turned those, and it actually turned a lot easier than I thought it would. So this is a pine one, it's painted. It kind of feels a bit rough, even though I've sanded it a fair bit, and gloss paint does hide all manner of sin. It's not quite smooth, but this one here is turned out of the hardwood, and oh, it is beautiful. I cannot wait to paint this up and see how smooth and shiny it gets. So I think when I hang these things under the wings, I might have a couple of spares on the table, one painted and one not, so people can pick them up and handle them and have a feel. And this is a heck of a lot heavier than the pine. It's really heavy. It almost feels like a real thing, except it doesn't have a depleted uranium projectile. Anyway, been having some fun on the lathe with these. Another 9 to go. Cheers.